Alright guys, let's solve this expression. In solving this, some might go by multiplying everything here with 2. Alright, but that is the wrong way of solving it. So while solving it, we are going to make use of the order of operation, where we have PEMDAS. P is parenthesis, E exponential, D division, while M is multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So solving this, the first we are going to do is to solve this, alright, and 6 minus 4 will give us 2. Alright, once we have done that, we have 14 divided by 2, 2 plus 7. So the next we are going to do is to divide 14 by 2, alright? So dividing it, we have 7. We know that this means multiplication, alright? So here is going to be times 2 plus 7. Then from our order of operation, multiplication comes before addition, right? So what we are going to do next is to multiply these two. By multiplying it, we have 14 plus 7, right? So the final answer to this is when we add 14 to 7, which should give us 21, right? So answer to this is 21.